In the shadows of India's freedom struggles, there rose a man who dared to challenge the might of the British Empire, not with words alone, but with an army of revolutionaries. His name was Subhash Chandra Bose, and he shook the foundation of colonial rule. Subhash Chandra Bose was born on January 23, 1897 in Cuttack, Odisha into a well-respected Bengali family. Brilliant from a young age, he graduated from Presidency College in Kolkata and later travelled to England to prepare for the India civil service. But Bose's heart was never meant for bureaucracy. He believed in action, swift, direct and bold. He resigned from the civil services and joined the Indian independence movement full time. While Bose admired Mahatma Gandhi, he disagreed with the idea of non-violence as the only path. He believed freedom must be seized, not begged for. He rose rapidly in politics and was elected President of the India National Congress in 1938 and 1939, but ideological differences led him to resign and form the Forward Bloc, aiming to unite all leftist and anti-British forces. In 1941, under British house arrest, Bose made a daring escape, disguised and traveling through Afghanistan and Soviet Russia. He eventually reached Germany and later Japan, aligning with Axis power not for ideology but for Indians' liberation. In 1943, he formed the Indian National Army (INA) with the slogan "Give me blood and I will give you freedom." Thousands of Indian soldiers realized to his call. The INA fought alongside Japanese forces in Burma and Northeast India, reaching as far as Impal. Though the campaign did not succeed, military Bose's action ignited a fair spirit of nationalism across India. In August 1945, news broke Subhash Chandra Bose had died in a plane crash in Taiwan, but even today many believed he survived. What remains undisputed is legacy. Netaji, the leader, inspired a generation. His courage sued the British Empire and influenced even the most loyal Indian soldier to turn against colonial rule. Freedom is not given, it is taken. Subhash Chandra Bose did not wait for change, he became the change. A rebel, a visionary, a hero. If you were inspired by this story, did not forget to like, share and subscribe.